Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Akhil, and guys, in today's video I am going to talk about money. Yes guys, the topic of today is money, and I am going to talk about money. So guys, when we heard this word, we feel that I should have money. This is the desire of everyone, because money is something which helps us in all sphere of our life, believe it or not. Guys, money is our basic need. If we want to eat healthy food, we need money. If we want to do our education, we need money. If we want to support our family, we need money. If we want to help others, we need money. So this is really very interesting topic, and this is really very essential topic of our life. This topic is really connected to our life, connected with our life, and everyone is doing something or the other for earning money. But listen to me guys, there are many misconceptions about money. People say do not think about money, don't pursue money. Means there are many thoughts related to money, regarding money. But guys, try to understand that we need money if we want to do something in our life. Because money is something which hinder us, which stop us to go ahead in life. If you want to do your study in a well-known college or well-known school, you need that much of money. So money is something which is very important. We can't say that money is not important. Money is important, and everyone is doing something or the other. Some people are doing business, some people are teaching. Okay, so something or the other, everyone is doing something or the other for the getting money, for getting money. So guys, I just want to say that we will have to learn the art of earning money. And guys, this is true that we say that why you talk about money all the time, you should not discuss about money. Money is the evil of all problems. Money is the evil of all troubles. These are the misconceptions which have been filled in our mind. We will have to understand properly, and we will have to think that is it true? We are doing hard work for this. Everyone is doing hard work for earning money. They are doing each and everything. They are toiling in the hot, sunny, and there are many people, they are doing work like a labor. So they are also toiling in the sun for earning money, for their bread and butter, for their completing basic needs. We need money. So we will have to respect money, and we will have to think about how to earn money and what we can do so that we can earn money and we can fulfill our basic needs and fulfill our dreams, our desires. Listen guys, everyone have dreams, everyone has dreams, and everyone wants to fulfill their dreams. Listen guys, to have dream we do not need money, but to fulfill dreams we need money. And when we sleep and when we think about money, many thoughts comes in our mind. If I would have money, I will support my family, I will take a car so that I can help to my parents. Okay, I can give them good future, We think about our family. We think about our parents that if I would have money, I can secure my future. I could, I would be able to help my parents. So we will have to think this concept in a big way. That is it true or is it wrong? Earning money is good or bad? We will have to think about that. Guys, listen to me. We should earn money as much as we can. We should not be satisfied that now I have this much of money, now I am satisfied, no need to earn money. Yes, you should earn money as much as you can. Do hard work and earn money as much as you can, because this is life. And why we should stop from earning money? Earn money as much as you can. There is no doubt. There is not anything which is stopping you. Why are you stopping yourself from earning a lot of money? Earn money, but you should remember that the way through which you are earning money should be correct. You should have the right way of earning money. If you are earning money illegally, if you are earning money from wrong way, then there will be bad consequences in your life. So earn money, but from the right way. And I also think that money is really something which helps us. If we are having any problem, then money helps us. Listen guys, if I am going to give you one example, that in our family, if anybody gets ill and he is admitted in hospital, and at that time we need money. So money helps us. Money gives us comfortable life. Money gives us many things. So we will have to think about money in the right way. And I just want to say that please keep secure money, okay, so that in future you will have no issue regarding money. For the security of your future, you should collect money, you should have money, and everyone is doing something or the other for earning money. This is 100% true. Listen guys, and one thing I have shared with you, that you should earn more and more money so that you can help others. You should give a little bit of your money in the welfare of the society. You can donate money so that other people who are needy, they can live their life well and peacefully. So guys, this was the topic of today, and I hope so that you have liked this topic. And I just want to say that please think about your future. Earn money from the right way. So guys, thank you. And I just want to say, if you liked my video, then please subscribe to my channel, do comment, do share, and I will be meeting with you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep smiling, take care, bye bye.